Essay writing is also important integral part. 250 marks whooping are there for essay, and one cannot suddenly write a good essay. So in that case, say for example, essay asked is the best for an individual is not necessarily best for the society. So that require a lot of philosophical understanding of societies, capitalism, communism, market forces, and then one can write an interesting essay on it. So that requires some homework, groundwork, discussion, rigorously writing and getting it checked. So that all we try to like focus on. Paper checking is the important part because lot has to be written, checked. So we assist in this particular part also to the candidates. Overall, writing matters a lot in this exam. It's a written examination. So Babudam is all about writing. So what makes a good writing? Spelling and punctuation and grammar and connectors and vocabulary, everything is important. Like drafting skill are integral to the bureaucratic life. Every word matter. Not only word, even the comma and the full stop matter in the bureaucratic world. So reading speed is also another thing. A lot of things to be read. So what is your reading speed in which subject? How much fast you read? How much of it to retain? Whether you understand more by reading less, or you have to read a lot to understand something like that. Everything has to be seen and improved. About memory skill also one has to work because a lot of things has to be remembered. So what exactly is the memory is? What interest is connected with the memory? How you organize the information also matters. Do you only read or also discuss, view and relate? Also is important idea. So Bashir Nawaz, a famous shair, has said, "Karoge yaad to har baat yaad aayegi." So that's our feature of our memory. If you decide to remember, you'll remember like that. But one has to organize the memory properly. Mock parliaments is another way of understanding our democracy, how it works, how it's a living democracy. So we conduct a mock parliament. Somebody becomes speaker, somebody becomes the leader of opposition. Then government puts some motions and then they're discussed and put for voting. It's like a live democracy that goes on like that. We also provide printed notes, which helps in ready references. Revision also become possible. Final preparation become easier. Solving papers become easier. Updating. These all are critical part because many times some people may think that exams like UPSC itself is a career, which is not true at all. UPSC is just an exam. Serving as an officer for the country is a career. So one should get early cleared and start working as an officer in the government. Newspaper reading is very crucial in our exams. So out of the either Indian Express or Hindu, one can choose the one, both are good, and read them regularly. Like even one local newspaper, if you are able to read, best. So spend maximum 1 hour in the reading the newspaper. It is something like a primary study. Reading notes, etc., ready-made is a different one. That's a secondary, and this is primary. So some primary reading is required that open up the mind, and we can able to link one thing with another one with it. Fitness is also crucial. If you study so much, then one has to be fit like Neeraj Chopra. One of the best example recently we had like. So keep yourself fit and active. Invest some time of the day in the yoga and exercises. Fitness is a key to concentration and endurance. Body is a medium to achieve the commanding heights. If you neglect it, then you are neglecting your future itself. Some more important things are like if you want to get information about books and other things, then UPSC itself has a website, a lot of interesting information, past papers. Even the UPSC report has a discussion on different optionals, which background graduation people have cleared. Everything is there in the report. They had go through the website of UPSC once. For books, even we had the Dream Path book shop. You can like contact to them. Even for free counseling, you can have a number and contact. Even updated and developments about changes in the competitive exam, advertisements, good articles through our Telegram channel. Also like IAS Infinite Academy. Our website is also there. We are also on FB and Instagram, etc. So the password to success is very simple, and that is apna time aayega. So much hard work has to be put with this positive thinking. So as famously Swami Vivekananda has said, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is achieved. Uttishtata jagrata praptavara nibodhata. Until you achieve your goal, do not stop at all. So thank you for listening patiently